Hello, my name is Jenny Smith. I'm a networking strategist and founder of Networking Know Who, and welcome to this week's 2-minute networking tip of the week. So the tip of the week this week is diversify. Diversify your network. So when you go networking, you can't just meet the same people every time. We need to spread the love, people, and diversify when it comes to networking. So I need you to start thinking about how you can network and start engaging with people outside of your area of expertise. So if you're a techie, you can't just meet other techies. If you're a creative, you can't just meet other creatives. If you're a lawyer, you don't want to just be talking to other lawyers. You need to speak to people outside of your area of expertise and start networking for knowledge. What can you learn from these other people who are outside your immediate comfort zone networking bubble? So start thinking about going out and meeting people that are experts in their fields that are completely different to yours. Because if you know everything that there is to know about your field, which you probably do because you're a bit of a genius, then you're only going to ever know what you know now. You need to start learning new things, learn about new industries, because when you do, there's potentially going to be some really amazing transferable solutions out there from other industries that you can move into yours. So start engaging with academics and engineers and manufacturers and puppeteers and anybody. And then when you chat to them, that's when exciting new innovative ideas come about. Through conversations, just chatting to people, finding out about who they are, what they do, their areas of knowledge and expertise. You share yours and then bam, you've got exciting new ideas and innovations. So there you go. That's it. That's this week's 2-minute networking tip of the week.